Hello, Chef here. Got this little pink sauce going here. Yeah, got some homemade meatballs. Oh yeah. I'm gonna combine them with a little bit of rigatoni pasta. It's gonna be good. But before I do that, I thought I would share with you a real quick kitchen tip right here. And I'm grating the hard cheese. This is aged mozzarella. This is a stainless steel glove. So when you're using the grater, you don't have to worry about clipping your fingers, losing your digits, trimming your nails, or hurting yourself. As long as you have the extra level of protection, made in America, you're good. Okay, when I make this recipe, I put my pasta in the pan like this. Oh yeah. That's gonna be about enough right there. Oh yeah. And then of course, a bit of fresh basil and some cheese on top of here. Yeah. That's gonna be good. And you never have enough. We'll put a little bit more cheese. Yeah. Oh, how's that look? Ah, here we go. The finished pasta. How does it look? Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. And please support your sponsor, share, like, subscribe. Don't be afraid to hit that like button, people.